everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanie. I do beauty unboxings, monthly subscription unboxings, food subscription box unboxings, and my main videos are generally daily food hauls, which are on my channel most days of the week. So if you like that sort of thing, please feel free to subscribe and like this video. If you're not into beauty, then I suggest you click off now because this is a beauty video. So today's video is an unboxing of the latest in beauty box for the Greatest Showman. It's currently on offer for £25, so I decided to get it. So it comes in this stunning box, and then the loose item is this item, which I will show first. So the first item is the Wet Brush Pro Detangle Professional for healthier, more beautiful hair, no snags, no tangles. And it comes in the shade Bombshell Blue. It's like an indigo blue, very nice. I use Tangle Teasers and I have about 4 of them, and the travel one as well. So I'm looking forward to actually trying this. So the box itself, it's quite heavy, is this gorgeous colour. It's like 2 shades of purple, and purple is my favourite colour. And the back, it just says latest in beauty. So when the sleeve is removed, it is this stunning black box which says latest in beauty. So upon opening the box is the booklet. The Impossible Comes True, The Greatest Showman, in cinemas January the 1st. So then, I don't like doing this because I always end up ripping it, and I don't want it ripped. There is the contents of the box. When I was looking at the boxes and what I wanted to buy, there was one deciding factor that made me say, yes, I'm definitely getting this box. I like the contents, I like Max Factor makeup, and that is one of the reasons why. But the deciding factor was this product, which I will get out first. It was literally the colour of this product. I've never tried this product by Max Factor before, but it's the Max Factor Honey Liqueur. Is it a lip gloss? It was the shade that sold it to me, and I don't think it's showing up, but it's a pinky nudie brown, and I just loved the shade and I wanted it, so that's why I bought the box. As crazy as it might sound, that is the main reason I bought it. Max Factor Honey Liqueur in Honey Nude. Max Factor Colour Elixir Honey Lacquer. Elixir Honey Lacquer gives you 3 irresistible lip benefits in one product. The intense colour of a lipstick, the shine of a gloss, and the soft feel of a balm. This wonder product has got it all. I'm hoping it lives up to the expectations that I have in my head of it. So the next item, as you can see, is this makeup brush by Spectrum Brushes. I've never had any makeup brushes by this brand before, but of course I've seen them around, and it is a stunning looking brush. Like, how could you not like that? Reminds me of a mermaid tail. So about the brush, it says Spectrum Collection Small Rain Glow Fan Brush A10. This vegan cruelty-free fan brush is the perfect multitasker that can be used to lightly apply highlighter or powder products for a soft focus finish, or clear the under eye area after applying eyeshadows by sweeping away any excess product. You can't highlight without it, so go forth and glow like a disco ball. The next item, I am the biggest mascara fan. It's the one item of makeup I can't live without. I have about 15 currently open, which is really bad of me. I'm trying to use them up before I open anything else, so I do like trying new ones, and I've never tried this. Max Factor Lash Crown Mascara. Lengthen, define and magnifying lashes for a look that will make an impact. Magnify lashes for a full fanned out lash effect, and crown your lashes with just the right amount of volume and definition for a majestic eye look. The Esper Overnight Hydration Therapy. I actually really need that at the moment because my skin is suffering. perfect for all skin types. Massage onto clean dry skin until formula turns white and allow 5 minutes for mask to sink in. Leave overnight for intense hydration. Beauty Sleep in a Jar. This unique rejuvenating night mask blends replenishing plant extracts, restorative marine actives and soothing essential oils that transform skin overnight. Intensely rich and cream gel blend feeds skin with the essential vitamins, nutrients and minerals it needs to look and feel smooth, hydrated and energised. A bespoke blend of pure aromatic oils calm the mind for a blissful night's sleep. The next item is this, and this is another reason why I wanted the box as well, because I need to find a primer that I like. So this is the Max Factor Face Finity All Day Primer, extends the wear of foundation, SPF 20. Max Factor Face Finity All Day Flawless Primer. Max Factor's Face Finity All Day Primer extends the wear of your favourite base products so that you can enjoy the coverage of you love for even longer. The next item is another Max Factor product. I'm guessing the film is sponsored by or has some kind of affiliate link with Max Factor. So how stunning is the packaging first and foremost. I do have the cream puff blush, which is similar packaging but it's smaller, and it's my favourite cheek product in lovely pink. And it says Max Factor Cream Bronzer. Who says you can't have a natural sun-kissed glow all year round? This ultra blendable and streak-free bronzer enables you to create a natural glow any time of the year. I've had this before and I've never used it. Sorry, James Read, but it's the James Read Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Tan Face. James Read Sleep Mask Tan. Love sleep, fan of a tan. This luxurious and moisturising tanning gel combines skin enhancing ingredients with cell tan to create a golden glow come morning. It is the Miller Harris Rose Silence perfume, 14ml, so it's quite a good size actually. Says for the intimist, a personal reflective Sunday morning moment. A clear bottle, which I like a lot. Rose Silence perfume elicits a solitary rose and an intimate embrace. The first rays of sunshine on a lazy morning stream through the window. A rose fresh and luminous, untouchable yet crisp, with a delicately fruity resonance of sweet mandarin and tangy blackcurrant. Undertones of warm skin are created with creamy sandalwood and subtle musks. I'm happy because this came in 2 different versions. There was a gold glitter one and then there's this one. So it's the Nail Ink Special Effect in Savoy Row. Nails Ink Snow Globe Nail Polish. New Globe Walk or Special Effects Savoy Row. This professionally formulated nail polish provides a high performance finish for nails that are destined to be shown off. Not only does this polish bring the glitz and glam to your mani, the brush has been designed to work with the shape of the nail for easy application and flawless finish. For an ultra glitzy look, shake the bottle rapidly. And the final item, as you can see, I've had something by this brand before, and this is another deciding factor in me purchasing the box. It's Show Grooming Balm, and it comes in the most amazing packaging, and I really like the other product that I've got. Show Beauty Rich Grooming Balm. Be the star of the show with this sublime moisture-rich balm which calms and controls fine hair to maintain an immaculately smooth and sophisticated look. A bonus, the weightless texture leaves your hair residue-free and full of shine so you can party all night maintaining a smooth and styled look.